This 2012 Coachmen Mirada 34BH is a Class A RV. It is located in Cincinnati, Ohio 45251 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Cincinnati. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 7, Slideout, and 66 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunkhouse. This 2012 Coachmen Mirada 34BH is built on a Ford chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.